Meet the new addition to our utility room that I did not know I needed. When our old washing machine decided to flood our utility room a couple of weeks ago, I wasted no time in going online and ordering a replacement. And hello, Hoover H-WASH 500. 40% more efficient than a standard A-rated washing machine and has an 11 kilogram load capacity, which means less wash loads. I mean less wash loads, guys. What more do I need to say? It also uses smart connectivity via the Hon app, which gives you personalised washing recommendations and even allows you to control your wash cycles remotely. It is quite literally the dream. And not only that, I've got a discount code to share with you too. Use code Millennium15 and you will get 15% off Hoover site-wide.